So I was in my local used bookstore the other day and I found this book. This is the official Friends cookbook. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Schmindian. This is Indian food demystified, aka Indian food for schmucks. And I'm doing a series called No Kidding, I'm gonna try that. So I found this book and I looked through it for Indian recipes, as I always do. And it turns out there is a recipe for mango lassi in the book. It's called Phoebe's Guru Saj Spicy Mango Lassi of Love. I'm really glad they put the of love in there. That's very Phoebe. And I read the recipe and it was really interesting, so I thought, no kidding, I'm gonna try that. I love looking through weird cookbooks and finding Indian recipes in them. It's always like a little treasure hunt for me. I enjoy it. You may not, but I do. And I also have a soft spot in my heart for the show Friends, because sitcoms of the past, Friends, Seinfeld, Cheers, that kind of stuff, those were sort of like the parasocial relationships before social media. And as a brown kid growing up in Halifax, Nova Scotia in the 80s and 90s, I needed some parasocial relationships. It was tough out there. And I really attached to Seinfeld. I really attached to Friends. The cast was so charismatic. I watched every single episode at least once, probably 1.5. I think it averages out 1.5 times each episode. I was hopelessly in love with Monica. I really wanted to be roommates with Joey. Ross, whatever. I would have loved to have been cubicle mates with Chandler at the place I work. That would have been cool. And, of course, Rachel. Hello. Call me. What are we talking about? No one calls each other now. Text me? Venmo me? Something me. And I really don't know if we're going to ever have another sitcom that kind of takes over the culture the way sitcoms did in the past. I think that might be gone. I don't think it's ever coming back. Which it might be a little bit sad. I don't know. With the rise of the internet. I think parasocial relationships now are podcasters, which is scary because there are some really dumb podcasters out there who have a lot of confidence and a huge following, and they literally tell people what to think, and people think that way. It's scary. But it really made me nostalgia for the 90s and for a simpler time in life when the world just seemed like a nicer place, a friendlier place, and a simpler place. And maybe it wasn't simple, but we were in our little bubble, so it felt simple, it felt nice. It was a nice feeling watching Friends back in the day. I think that's why it's continued to be popular over time. So I was very happy when I bought this book and found the mango lassi recipe in it. I'm very happy that Indian food is part of the Friends lexicon. And I think it's appropriate that this is Phoebe's mango lassi because she seemed like the one who was the most open to new things, the most kind of liberal in her thinking and accepting in the things she would eat, the people she would date. Phoebe might be the most underrated friend. She was a cool chick. I really love mango lassi, which is this, by the way, one of the greatest Indian drinks ever created. Look at that. So I am very happy that Indian food managed to find its way into the Friends official cookbook. I love mango lassis. I think it's the best. It's definitely the most popular. So I am very excited to combine Indian food with one of the greatest sitcoms of all time, one of my personal favorites. So we are going to make and then try mango lassi from the Friends official cookbook. Let's make it. And here's our wonderful ingredients. Could they be more wonderful? 1 inch of ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, a pinch of cayenne, 1 ripe mango, 3/4 of a cup of whole milk yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 lime. First things first, we have to make the syrup. Peel the ginger and then slice it thin. Now add the water to a small pot on medium heat. Then add the ginger and the sugar. Dissolve the sugar in the water and add a pinch of cayenne. Pour that out and set aside. Now we have to dice the mango. Mangoes have a giant pit in the middle, so start cutting at the top, and when you feel the pit, cut around it. Then take a piece and cut a grid into the meat of the mango, but don't pierce the skin. Now you can pop it out like this and cut out the squares. Place 1 cup worth of mango in a food processor and add 1 tablespoon of the ginger syrup. Then add the yogurt and the milk. Pulse all this until everything is smooth. Pour it into a glass and drizzle some of the syrup on top. Add a pinch of cayenne and a pinch of cardamom. And you can drop in some of the ginger slices as well. Now add a lime wedge and enjoy. It's awesome. It is really nice. I knew it was going to be nice. I knew it was going to be great. You can't go wrong with mango. It is impossible to make a bad dish out of mango. Doesn't matter what it is. The cayenne does kind of pop out a little bit, so just be careful of that. You may want to leave that out if you're a little sensitive to spice. I'm not sensitive to spice, so I really like it, but smooth, sweet, got a little bit of tang in there from the yogurt, The ginger comes out nicely. Really, really good mango lassi. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what my dad thinks. Dad.
Hi, Paul.
How's it going?
Good, good.
Good, good. Do you remember the show Friends?
Oh, it was pretty popular, funny show. Those 4 people, I think.
There was 6.
Oh, 6, yeah.
Yeah.
3 girls, 3 boys.
Yeah.
So, but no, it was a good show. Everybody liked it. People used to look forward to every, I don't know, it was Tuesday or Wednesday.
Thursday.
And no, good show.
Okay. Who was your favorite friend?
Oh, Joey was good.
We like Joe.
But, you know, Joey was good too, and what's her name? I forgot the name of the girl.
Rachel, Monica, Phoebe.
I think I like that one there.
Phoebe.
It's Phoebe.
Yeah.
She was Joey's unofficial girlfriend.
You're right. They had a very kind of nice relationship.
Yeah.
Unspoken thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, so, but the other 2 were kind of formal. This was informal.
Yeah, that's true.
I think so.
I think so. I think you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. So we have mango lassi. Here, I'll show you actually.
Mango.
It's Phoebe's Guru Saj Spicy Mango Lassi of Love.
Oh, it's a Phoebe thing.
Yeah, it's Phoebe.
I didn't know that.
It's her mango lassi.
Oh.
I know. I was really happy about that.
Yeah. Okay. That's Phoebe's lassi then.
Of love.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, would you like to try it?
Should I?
Yeah.
Has a lemon into too?
Well, it's a garnish.
Oh.
Yeah. You can squeeze it in if you want.
Good taste, Paul. Little thick though.
Yeah, it is a little bit thick. I think I maybe put too much mango.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
But no, it's good. And a little bit more liquidy will be better
Okay.
instead of more thick.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it tastes good. Good spices. Mango comes out. Taste comes good, which I like mangoes myself. And so I didn't know Phoebe had this kind of thing.
Yeah, apparently she did.
I like it.
Okay. Do you have any final thoughts about Friends, Phoebe, or mango lassis? Or
I
Joey?
used to like Friends very much, and Phoebe was always innocently funny, I guess. Is that the word?
Yeah.
And you know, Joey and her was used to be kind of how would I put it? Spontaneous, on the spot.
Yeah.
Finding the words and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And they were funny show. All of them were really funny though.
Yeah, that's true.
So anyway, it's good. Friends were good. This is good. Little bit liquid will be better. Otherwise, good.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Dad.
Good.
Do you want the rest of this, or should I?
I'll drink later on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Shout out to Friends. Shout out to Phoebe. Shout out to Kara Mickelson, who this recipe she invented. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, then click over there. Or over there. Like it, sub it, ring the bell. Have a good day.